looks like I saw the tendon and it looks fine. It's right on top of the kneecap. I'm not going to put you on antibiotics because we know it's a clean wound because you were in your pants.
Sounds good.
But I don't want you bending it, and you're going to go, where do you live?
I live in
down
Newark.
in Brooklyn, Queens, wherever.
I live in Newark.
You live in Newark. All right. Hey! Give me 1 minute. Last stitch. I didn't realize that the knee was, because he's already been over there once. But when I saw this, I was like, you know what, go back over for a picture. I think he's okay, but he went down 2 bone. We don't want him to bend it too much.
That's looking pretty good, huh?
Yeah.